going to Chicago. I feel like it's been a little while since I've uploaded a vlog. I have a bunch of random clips from when I started vlogging, and then I would forget about it. Then I would pick my camera back up a few days or weeks later. So we'll just call this life lately. Yeah. I got the sudden random urge to want to paint a skate deck for my office wall. So I went to this cool art store downtown and got some materials. I'm going with something super basic and easy, just some script for this first one, but I do have some ideas for some other art if it turns out well. I still need to resin it, but this is what it looked like. I started making espresso at home, so I bought every single coffee grinder on the market. Not really, but I did buy 3. This one sucks, so I'm returning it. The manual one is good, but it's just too much work. And this one gets clogged, but it gets the job done, so this is what we're working with. Hi. We are going to a very special place today, and I'm gonna meet Christian there. So let's go.
Yeah. This is probably, the fried chicken, 1 spicy, 1 drumstick. We have, this is the palabok. Oh no, it's the spaghetti, which is, we'll figure that out later. We got the palabok, which is like pork, garlic sauce, shrimp, a yum burger with cheese, very hot. McDonald's doesn't come like that. The peach mango pie, and then mashed potatoes. Gravy, of course, for the chicken. Dip the gravy, or fries in the gravy.
That looks so good.
Oh wow.
Mammo and ube and samana.
Sick. Oh no, it's good. This looks like
It's really good.
a cake, cupcake.
I made ceviche for the first time. Ceviche is one of my favorite dishes, and I don't know why I was like kind of intimidated to make it, but it was so easy to make and it turned out really good. And this fish was $50. Like, what the frick is that? Bean Boy. So much less busy when it's not like actually Christmas.
Yeah.
We spent a few days with my grandparents outside of the city, which was the whole purpose for this trip. But we came back before our flight to eat and explore a little more.
Get some brownie real quick. Some curry and be on the